Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. Y'all, I've got some color flips to try on for y'all. So these are the Ciate London Color Flip Holographic Lip Glosses. Gosh, I have Crush, Lovesick, and Scandal. I'm just going to try them all on, show you what it looks like, and we'll see which colors we like and if they really do look holographic on. So, here we go. All right, so this one is Crush. I know that looks kind of funky. Hang on, here we go. All right, do y'all see any holographic color flipping going on? I can't say that I do. Let's adjust the light. All right, the more I blot it, the more I am seeing the sparkly in it though. Let's try the next one on. This is Crush. How weird is it that now that I'm taking off with a micellar water, I see more of the sparklies. All right, now we're gonna try on Lovesick Ciate London Glitter Flip Holographic. Oh, wow. So I'm feeling this has been an underrated color in my collection. I've actually had these for a while. But, okay. Look at that, y'all. That's nice. What do y'all think? Comment below. Just so they know, after they dry down, they'd start to feel a little drying. So make sure you do a lot of prep work with your lips, exfoliate, moisturize, all that good stuff, because you'll need it for this cute color. So Ciate London Glitter Flip Holographic Lip Gloss. This color is Scandal. Yeah, that's a scandalous red. What do we think? Is it glitter flipping? Let me know what you think of these colors. So I thought before I put all this up, the Ciate London Glitter Flip Holographic Lip Gloss, I would go ahead and just show you the colors I have. Scandal, Lovesick, and, oh, I forgot already, Crush. I have to say, Lovesick, I think by far is my favorite, the most glittery, sparkly one. And I'm not that much of a pink person, y'all, really. I'm starting to get there, but they dried down. Pretty sticky drying, so moisturize, y'all. But look at that color flip. Oh, I hope y'all can see the glitteriness of this all. Thought I would do a little front camera just so you could see. Y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.